Camera Lakfuh Thilmak te pangana Philkot sa higos hantarania atlang puin an group Wisconsin Paranormal Society tia aming an vuatenen ahuhavin munsang dia soyate han kalthina mase tun tuma ero hichuan amain akal thunga.
I got a camera set up in this corner here, and I'm just gonna sit. We got a furnace running, so there's sound, but I'm just gonna sit and listen.
Akal na mun hi munsang na saa miten an soy ani boka ama po apur kher mai
And I don't know. Let's see what happens. Sitting here for a while. Nothing going on. What the hell? Something just moved behind me. Jeez. Something just moved behind me. Jeez. Okay. I don't see anything. Let's have a look here. Oh crap, I don't know if that seat was down.
filan nunga chair pakhat chu amain aron cheringot mai ani makti deuh le hlaur deuh chung chuan camera chuan alakual zela.
It's 1:15. I haven't heard anything yet. I haven't even gone back yet to check on this prop that's there. I keep hearing things walking around, but that's probably tenants upstairs. So, it sounds like from upstairs, but there might be people up there. All right. It's 1:25. I still haven't heard anything besides random creaking. Hello? Anybody in here? No, besides the people upstairs. Okay. Well, I'm gonna look, see if this prop is still back here again. And we'll take a look. Come on! See if this prop is still back here again. And we'll take a look. Come on! That's not cool. The door open? No, the door was open. That door was closing. If anybody's in there messing with me, I'm gonna kick your ass. Oh, jeez. Hello? Okay, I don't see anything in here. Hello? Hey. Cameras. Out. Cameras.
He athil ton hu hian fila hian ghost hunt lampang hi ati chunzom tomeu lo ani keima bi ka chuan he video hi a hlawm ber polami ani a enge in ngai ve dan le he video hi atak tak nge ni anga a ang theyang ber tura chan chop pe mai jok comment lama in lo soidon dia palina Texas University zirlai pakhat chuan adom room chun sa takin rang ni in asoya chutia rana sat e mawang chuan in son chua mai lo chu du thlan tur anei lo ani he video kan hmu te hi tak tak nge ni anga siam chop mei kangai vedana chuan siam chop ni ta se matres han thlok kwal vel te so engtin nge an ti angle in ngai dan comment lama in lo soi ve don nia pathum na e hapa hi ghost hunter ania he video a hian mun pakhat House of Khalil ati mai Khalil a che na ti na ani berang chu chumi hmuna chuan akala an soidana chuan Khalil a hian he hmuna hian a chung te zong a tha hnuwa ama po a in ti hlum ve ngal ni in an soya chumi a chin chu helai hmun hi Khalil a thla chuan ala chen chil chhun zom reng ni in an soibok ani in chung vel chu camera chuan ala kwal ta a he thil hi alo thleng ta ani
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق يا كل شيء
kong khara chuan mi hring ang deuh lo dak voi awa hmuwa nima sela vachiana tum chuan alo bo man dei ani ma se chu ta mai chuan thilmak chu atop lem lo
بهاي المواقف بتكون الشغلة يا قاتل يا مقتول طبعا أعوذ بك يا قاتل يا مقتول أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بكلمات الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
chutia alak zel lai chuan thil then khat alak fu te phei chu a hnuwa a en le chawin a hria ani kong khar bula chuan mi hring hmayang deuh ala fu le boka
بسم الله تعال بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
camera chuan ala kwal zela chutia alak reng lai chuan a hnung lama chuan omang tlat hian a hria a
شوفوا زي ما أنا شفت لسه مش داخلين جوا صابني وجع راس صابني وجع راس كبير هيا خلينا نحكي شوي مع الجن بسم الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
hemin hnu hian ngoi rengin he mun hi a chua san ta ani comment lama in ngai dan in lo soi ve don nia pani na khopakhat lian lo te Saint Joseph sh UK a chuan zel hlui to tak mei the cage anti mei chu a oma he hmuna hian mei chia doi thiam nia an pu te an khung khom na le an ti hlum na thin mun ani he hmun hi upato hle a kumzeli chuang ani to ani paranormal investigator Brian Mekale a hauta chuan helai hmun rang fi tur hian an kalta a an va thlen chuan phun researcher ri te pen ri thom te an hrian in an report a light te chu ama in aroin onin aroin off le thin bok ni ten an soi ani achang phei chuan crew member te chu ron khoi tu le ron ham tu an hmu thei mi si lo hian aron ti boi thin bok ani an din hmun chu a hlawm em awangin crew te zinga then khat phei chuan an chhun zom du to lo hial ani ome a hlawm le amak lai ber zok chu hei hi ani
face has completely changed. Doesn't even look like a person.
Right, Debbie, you need to come down here for a minute, please.
Oh, weird. My eyes were black.
voi khat chu an vai mei chuan thlapiak tumin engemaw in thawina lampang ti an tuma Brian ero chuan room dang atangin camera hmangin alo thli thlaya chutia thla biak an tum lai chuan an zinga hmeichhe pakhat chu a hmel a in thlak vek ti camera atang chuan Brian chuan alo hmuwa
Face has completely changed. Doesn't even look like a person.
Right, Debbie, you need to come down here for a minute, please.
Weird. My eyes were black.
a hmel chu mihring pangai ang nilovin aron om thut mei ani Brian angai thalo chuan chu hmeichhia chu a ko chuak ta a hnu deya an hriat le danin he hnu hian a hnung lama chuan thil kan na hnu hmate aneya tin mang thalo takte mangin anina po thilmak tak takte a thleng thin ni in an soi ani he thil hi amak em awangin he video a hian ka han tel ve ani e pakhat na he video kan thlir le turi chu adang lambi griowa ghost hunt pangai ani lem lova he video kan hmu te hi mun sang atanga kalkhom in hrengai lem lote an nia ghost store an ti mei chu he bek in lui to tak Colum Church South Australia oma hian an nei ani he ghost store kalte hi ghost hunter tuma an om lova he tiang lampang tuiwang hrim kalkhom le telve an ni ama sabera chuan maktak mein an camera le torch battery ta chu a zo duak maya chuti chuan thilmak chu a thleng tanta ani
He just let out his chair.
It felt like something sat in the chair and it vibrated, and then it felt like something went like that.
Okay. So that was that night. Then, as I said, it knows when I did.
Oh my god. What?
Is that you?
He's over there! Stephen, what is it?
Like something, seriously.
What?
That just felt like something just touched my back.
And he hasn't moved from his spot. He can't reach him. He's kind of creepy like that. He looks hell weird.
Yeah. Are you alright?
I'm good.
No, but you're not reacting or anything. She's petrified and you're not even. You're just chilling.
If you don't feel right, if you get irritable, if you get angry, if you get anxious.
What? He's staring at us. Wait, what's wrong? Wait.
Are you wrong?
He's crying. No, please don't. No, tell us.
Just before you even started.
Yeah. You.
he pa chau hi mi zemak le hlau dewa om ani lem lo
To stop tours completely
That way, I guess people won't come back.
because
What's going on?
it would spoil the game.
It's felt like something touched me again.
Your hand is shaking like crazy.
That's how I have been since I came in here.
I'm sick.
You feel sick as well?
Yeah.
Is this what you come for?
Yeah, it's what we signed up for.
This is quite an active time in here.
a hnu dewa chuan an zinga mi a hnung lam dewa thu chu adara chuan engemaw hian a ron deng sok meya ma se camera in alo la fu man lo hlawa ari ero a hriat thei ani
I can't see anything. There's no.
What? That's my shoulder. What? Like here. Oh, jeez. Okay. It was not like you laughed. I'm good. That like shoved me forward. Did it? Yeah.
I heard the knock behind you.
He has a scratch on him.
There's a still chemical.
I don't know, it should be up the front. Where is the scratch?
On my shoulder. See this here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Look how well it shows up on this.
Oh,
Show
yes.
Ryan that photo.
Yeah, that's going to be better than any.
Hold on, I'll just hold it down for a second.
Look at that, Ryan. Oh. Are you sort of freaked out by that? Because I'm like really.
Jesus.
atopa chuan tuma in hliam em omlovin an chuak theita ani heng mi te hi kan soito ang khan tuma hi ghost hunter an omlova ghost store tel tourist satlia ve mai an nia lemchang tur lo ni ta se engma lem an chan hian hlokna an nei don lem lo awangin lemchang an ni chu arin om chia lo ani he video hi keima bi ka chuan atak ang hle a enge nangma nia in ngai ve dan le ka video te milo en sakawangin lom thu ka soya he channel hi min lo subscribe saka min lo like min lo share sak ram turin ka han ngen chewani e